How's the JBL GO Bluetooth speaker after 5 years? Hi guys, great day, this is Rai and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button and we're gonna check out how's the JBL GO Bluetooth speaker after 5 years. So this is the JBL GO in the black variant and this is the first speaker that I had on my JBL collection, and let's take a look how it's going and is it still functioning or is it still worth buying after 5 years. And a lot of questions have been answered by this video. So first, let's take a look at the buttons. You have here the power button, the Bluetooth connect button, which is the link button or the pairing button, and the minus and the plus buttons for the volume, and we have a call button. Yes guys, this Bluetooth speaker is able to receive calls. And at the side we have here, so it's still that old micro USB plug. Of course we have here the headphones, and of course that's the light over there. And the other side you have here a place where you can put the dongle if you want it hanging or whatever. So if you look at the physical features of the speaker, it's still intact. So with the, of course, some battle scars right there. So this is the printed JBL logo right here, so it's kind of like having signs of old age. So that's it, the paint starts to chip off, but still it's still good looking. So here the logo and all the serials right there. Now one thing about this speaker, I have used this a couple of times and this is my go-to speaker every time, but then I stopped using it like almost a year ago because maybe because of age. One of the main things that I've noticed is the speaker. Let me try that. If you can see, there's like a fuzzy sound coming out of the speaker. So I think there is rust or there is dirt, or maybe the speaker has just slowly been turned. So I've looked at the YouTube videos and found out that the speaker inside has the tendency to be turned down because maybe of age, and then when you put a lot of bass on it, it gets steered off. So maybe that's the reason. So the sound now is fuzzy, and maybe I can put a little bit of sound test after this video. So I have no problem with this speaker connectivity and all of those things, but of course one problem that I only had was that fuzzy thing, and somewhat is a sign of old age maybe. The rubber is still intact right here, even though I kind of just throw it all over and don't usually take care of this one, and it connects still well. So that's it. That's the very reason I don't use this, because of just the speaker right here. So I'll be giving you a sound test, sound check after this one, and you judge for yourself. So that is the quick review of how the JBL GO is going after 5 years. So at least you can have a forecast. What are the things to consider? Maybe in the future, if you have this kind of speaker, you'd be very careful with the way you handle it, with putting sound on it, most especially when it has aged, because there's a tendency for the speaker to be turned or whatsoever. Thank you very much. This is Rai, and we're not done yet. There's a sound test after this video. Bye guys.
Here we go.